Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4639 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4532 to 1.4755. The earlier day close, 1.4620. The change was plus 0.0019, plus 0.13%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 28, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 1.26 rands, high 1.35, low 1.17. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 12, cost 1.34 rands, high 1.43, low 1.25. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.43 rands, high 1.53, low 1.33. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 22, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.37 rands, high 1.47, low 1.27. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.26 rands, high 1.35, low 1.17. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.21 rands, high 1.29, low 1.13. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 26, cost 1.40 rands, high 1.50, low 1.30. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 1.37 rands, exorbitant cost 1.84, while low cost 1.35. They found the middle value of cost 1.52. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.50, change for April 9.5%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2023. In the first place cost at 1.50 rands, exorbitant cost 1.65, while low cost 1.13. They found the middle value of cost 1.46. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.54, change for May 2.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 1.54 rands, excessive cost 1.54, while low cost 1.33. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.46. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.43, change for June 7.1%. Dogecoin figure for July 2023. Before all else cost at 1.43 rands, excessive cost 1.43, while low cost 1.19. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.33. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.28, change for July 10.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.28 rands, excessive cost 1.58, while low cost 1.28. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.48. Change for August 15.6%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.48 rands. Excessive cost 1.48, while low cost 1.15. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.24. Change for September 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.24 rands. Excessive cost 1.24, while low cost 0.97. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.04. Change for October 16.1%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.04 rands. Excessive cost 1.29, while low cost 1.04. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.15. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.21. Change for November 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.21 rands. Excessive cost 1.38, while low cost 1.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.29. Change for December 6.6%. Dogecoin figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 1.29 rands. Excessive cost 1.29, while low cost 1.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.23. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.20. Change for January 7.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 1.20 rands. Excessive cost 1.35, while low cost 1.17. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.25. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.26. Change for February 5.0%. Dogecoin figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 1.26 rands. Excessive cost 1.26, while low cost 0.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.14. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.06. Change for spring 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.06 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.06, while low cost 0.83. Found the middle value of cost 0.96. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.89. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to Doge conversion scale equivalent to 0.6831 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6778 minus 0.6881. The earlier days nearby 0.6840. Change for now 0.0009, 0.13%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.671 coins, high 0.719, low 0.629.